Are you looking for the best retractable luya rod set? In this video we will look at some of the best retractable luya rod set on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Portable Retractable Luya Rod Fishing Rod Set. Portable design, easily transportable. This retractable fishing rod set is perfect for on-the-go anglers. Versatile fishing gear includes both a drop reel and spinning reel, catering to various fishing techniques. Lightweight construction crafted for comfort. The lure rod is light, ensuring all-day fishing without fatigue. Durable material built to last. This fishing rod set withstands the rigors of frequent use. Number 2. Telescopic Rock Fishing Rod 3.0M Spinning. Super strong carp rod is made of super high quality carbon fiber. Its toughness and pressure resistance are very strong, ensuring that you will not suddenly break when you catch a big fish. Moreover, the carbon fishing rod is very light, only 3.5 pounds. Which is very suitable for long distances to find suitable fishing locations. Number 3. Seaboat Carp Fishing Rod Combo 1.5 2.4 meter. This fishing rod is made from carbon fiber, strong and durable. With the features of good elasticity and strong heavy capacity. Adjustable length fishing rod for situations where full-size fishing gear is inconvenient. Portable closed length design for conveniently carrying around. Best suitable for fishing from the shore, reefs and rocks on trips and vacations. Number 4. Telescopic Fishing Rod Light Carbon Cast Rod. Eye-catching rod tip. Highly sensitive rod tip. You can clearly know the arrival of the fish signal. Short and portable. The shrinkable length is only 48 centimeters, which can be easily stored in the bag, making it easy to carry. Ceramic guide ring, strong and anti-shedding, smooth over the line. One-piece grip, non-slip and wear resistant, comfortable to use. Number 5. Ghotda Fishing Rod Set 1.8 meters / 2.1 meters. Ghotda Fishing Rod Set 1.8 meters / 2.1 meters Spinning Casting Rod 2000 Series Spinning Reel with line for freshwater base pike fishing. The rod model length 1.8 m, 2.1 m. Closed length 51 centimeters / 47 centimeters. Power ml. Weight 3.5 to 14 grams. Color green. Sections 4, 5. Handle casting with hook spinning.